Let's go. Insects, I swear. I see some fish right here on the bank. I'm gonna spook them back some to the side. Ooh, look at that big bluegill over there. Nice size bluegill. I'ma mess around and get down here fishing and can't get back up to the normal people. Can't get back to the real world. What y'all think, man? Look good to me. My type of area. I'ma stay. I say. Freebird. Won another one. As y'all seen, I had to come through the jungle, through the trenches to get here. I met my brother here, man. I met one of my brothers here. Let me say that. It wasn't originally intended to me here. It was just a humbug for me. Seeing it on the map, figure I'd go out and get it. Been out here since like 7. I'm gonna say 7, maybe 9, give or take. But came looking for bass, throwing straight lures to no avail. My brother was throwing straight lures to no avail. Came across on the other side of the water. I came up on 3 bluegill, 2 bluegill and a sunfish. And I'm gonna see if I can find me some bait out here in all this beautiful nature. See if I can find me some worms, bugs, insects, whatever I can throw out there in the water to see if I can get another bite. I do got some lures. Since I'm on the other side of this pot, we ain't tried this pot out yet. Bro, you'll love it. I ain't lying. You would have thought you would have bought the boat out here if you would have known, bro. But I don't know. It's kind of rocky too. It might be a little bit too much for the boat, bro. We might have to take the boat back over that way. This side ain't gonna be a boat action for real. Maybe kayak action, but you know how you feel about them kayaks, bro. But yeah, man, I'm gonna throw these lures out. See if I can get some. See if I can get some bites, man. This is so pretty, man. Let me show y'all, bro. All right, see my brother, all that structure, man. Something got to be in there. Ain't? My brother wanted to come over here and throw around. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna throw around the fluke with some of the lessons he gave me before he left. I got a couple other things I'm gonna try, crankbait and maybe something else. And I ain't ready to go yet, so I'm gonna play around a little bit, man. See what we can get into. Ooh, look at that beaver. Big beaver too. Went right up in that hole over there. They have some pretty decent structures out here. Let's get into it, man. I'm anxious. I ain't got nothing but a split shot on that thing. I've been out here for about, I don't know, 4 hours now. Looking for largemouth bass. Me and my brother Nino. We ain't come up on nothing, so I decided to stay out here a little longer. see what I can see. Excuse me, y'all. I was trying to clean myself off mud. That was a big sunfish, bro. That was a big sunfish. I ain't gonna hold you. Oh yeah, so this gonna be a sunfish day today for me. Come up on some big sunfish. That was a leaf I grabbed from the bottom. I ain't even put a weight on that thing. Now that's a bluegill. Look at that color on them, man. Nice size bluegill. If I can keep this one, if I can get at least 3 of these. If I can get 2 or 3 of those, I'll be all right. Man, they got some big bluegill in here, man. If y'all can see that bluegill right there, he's right there. I can't wait to bring my little cast net out here. I'm gonna kill him when I get that cast net. Trust me, bait for days. But yeah, I'm ready to go on this little exploration. I see some potential over here, man. I'm ready to go check it all out. Let's go. Heard some water splashing just now. Walking around looking for insects and worms. I ain't found none yet, but truly I ain't really been digging. Yes, let y'all know about these. Yeah, clean them out with some water. Throw some sugar on them things and make your dreams come true. Yes. If I've been paying attention to what my brother been saying, for these bass, you gotta think like a bass. Something I haven't been doing, no lie. I just been using the techniques that I've been catching them with. Using the techniques I've been catching them with. I ain't been thinking like no bass, but I'm working on that though. See that little crevice right there? You might not be able to see it too good, but that crevice right there, I'm gonna put it out. There you go, right there. Hey look, I'm seeing a lot of flashes, I ain't gonna lie. Not right there where I was just pointing at. I'm gonna show you where the flashes were. The flashes was over there somewhere. I saw a flash as it hit the water. It ran off. Ooh, bro, tell me I ain't hit that in the head. Jordan, Kobe, bro. I'm anxious to go see what's down there, but I had to fish first. No bites, no action. I ain't seen nothing pop the water. Not a damn thing. I saw them flashes over there. Probably some baby bluegill. Ooh. Oh yeah, I'm getting ready to come all back here. Ooh, red-tailed hawk. He just flew back off. Ooh, wee! I'm coming back out here. I'm bringing worms out here. Oh yeah, I got a nice little spot, y'all. Go cook out, get my grill on. If it's some fish, I camp out here if I can find some fish to jump. I ain't camping for no bluegill, bro. I need bass to camp, bro. Yeah, sir, that way I can wake up before the sun up, get my cast on, and catch up on something. Look at all them baby bluegill. A school of bluegill right here. Yeah, I'm gonna bring my little net out here. Oh, I see bluegill over there. Maybe behind him, it may be a bass behind him. Maybe. Big bluegill. Bluegill, that was the bluegill right there. Oh yeah, I'm gonna kill this little spot. Watch. It can't be no bass in here. All these bluegill, bro. With all these bluegill in here, it'll be a lot of bass in here. Can't be, bro. I can't see it. Bluegill chasing. Man, look at all them fish. All bluegill swag. I'm gonna come throw a net on top of them. I ain't fishing for all that. I'm gonna throw a net right on top of their head. Ooh, blueberries. I mean, blackberries, excuse me. Blackberries, yes. Unripe blackberries. Ugh, spider web. Still no bass yet. I see some bluegill. Man, I got fishing glasses on. That's how I can see so far and so well. I see a lot of bluegill, man. I don't see no bass. Yeah, I look in trees a lot too. Snakes climb. I don't know what y'all thought. Yeah, snakes get up high too. Plenty of firewood for me. Bluegill, bluegill. I know there's some snakes down here. This is low water. Ooh. Pipeline. Bluegill, bluegill, bluegill. Ain't nothing over here. It's super low water. Ain't nothing but bluegill here. Like I said, you just throw a net out here. You don't even need to really fish none of this. You throw a net and you'll be good to go. Look at all them fish. I wonder if y'all can see all these bluegill. Ooh, I see largemouth. Oh, I see largemouth, bluegill. This gonna be the first place I throw my cast net at. When I give me a cast net, this gonna be the, God, there's so many fish in here, bro. It's crazy. Bait season shouted. Oh yeah, wait till I get my cast net. That was a big bluegill. They made me stop in my word. I wonder if y'all can see all them little fish, man. Alright, I'm gonna try to make this as quick as I can. I don't see me going too far, because I don't think I can. And then I got my stuff way back there, so I ain't trying to go with so far. Even though I ain't got nobody finding my stuff. You ain't really coming to get it. But my scooter back there too. Always check your rocks before you put all your weight on them. Always check your footing Largemouth, 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 largemouth. All babies though. They are largemouth. Ooh, I can't wait to come back out here, boy. I'm gonna be scooping up everything. On mamas. I'm bringing the hand net. I'm bringing the cast net. On mamas, I'm scooping everything. Super low. How can I get over there? In order to get over there, I'm gonna have to get over there. Okay. Oh yeah. When I come fishing for real, I'm going back yonder. I ain't going right now because I ain't doing it but exploring, and I ain't got what I want. So yeah, I'm gonna hold that thought. Wait till I come fully loaded. Once I'm fully loaded, I'm coming back. You can bet on that. Hopefully the big bass will be out playing in. All these little babies ain't gonna do it for me. All for me, please. All right, let's go find some bait now. Oh, something hitting that thing. Okay, hold on. Let's see something real quick. See if I can get something up out of here.
Creek fishing at its finest. Just want to take a gander.
Got a little potato bug, saw bug. I'll show y'all know what that is. Let's see what we can do with this saw. Look at this little largemouth bass right here. Hold on, let me see if I can get his attention. They checking it out. Look like he gone. Oh no, he on there. He ain't doing nothing. He done balled up on him. Looking like a split shot. I don't think he can cut it. I'm gonna need some more bait. Nice worm. Where did I see them bluegill? Everywhere. Piece of the worm came off. Not all of it. Heard a splash over there before I was getting ready to take off. Like they called my name or something. Ah, still ain't even get there. Little guy, I'm gonna keep him anyway. I'm ready to get a bunch of these little dudes. I'm racking up. Chill, bro. You stick me, I'm gonna slap you. Oh, or to let him go. You be doing the most. Man, open your mouth, bro. What y'all think, man? Keep running. Going on there with the rest of them. And you ate my last worm, you got to go. I'm ready to dig up some more worms. See if I can find some more bait. From bugs to worms. Whatever we find, we gonna use. You know, some people call these crappie. Dude, little Hispanic guy said, ain't nothing but crappie in here. I ain't seen nothing but bluegill in here. Find some more worms and go get some more fish. Let's go. See, this is what I found the first worm under something like this. It's carpet type material, and they love stuff like that. I need to make me a wormhole, honestly. Let me. It's like a car seat holder. I mean, it's like a car seat thingy. That looked like a worm. I done cut most of his body off, so. I mean, a nice little worm. After looking hard. Oh, he got a lot of energy, huh? Oh, you got big energy, huh? Keep that same energy. When that water get up on you, you hear me? See if I can drop something in their face. In your face. I still want to see if I can pull them out this rock real quick. Oh, okay, there you go. There you go. Nice catch. I knew you was the bigums. I hear him. When I hear him, something hopped out the water when I hear him. Hey, way down there too. Pretty one. He like a mutation or something. You see his eye looked at me. Good mutation. I ain't seen big bluegill like these in a nice little while. I done followed the little game trail that I saw. It's a trail. Something been laying right here. Sleeps here, walked up, sleep, keep on going. Oh, let me see. Yeah, it sleeps here just in case I couldn't get that on camera. It sleep right here, you can tell. It's all pressed down like it's been sitting there for a while. I really don't plan on going all the way up there. This is being nosy, really trying to find worms. I've been looking for leaves. Can't really find no leaves. See all that's pressed down like it's been sitting down for a while. I know a little something, y'all. I do a little bit. Like this joint right here, I want to lift it up so badly, but I just ain't got much backup room. It's like I got to back up. Then he could be coming from right here. He as in snake, I mean. I feel like if anything under there would have came out of there by now, bro. Red bugs, termites, no snakes. Excuse me, y'all. No worms. Last worm for the day. I just need one more fish to replace the one that just dashed on me, bro. I can't go out like that. Getting hit. No, getting hung. Lost. Hi-ho, off the way we go. Coming around the mountain when I come. Yeah, the dog's hollering, talking to me. That's it, man. That's the end of this one, man. Whew. Talking about a climb. Yes, sir. Had to climb up the mountain to get back to society. But yeah, man, ain't getting nothing but a new gear. Ain't nothing wrong with that dog. I got like 5 of them pretty things. You should have seen it by now on my GoPro. But yeah, man, I'm gonna have to come back out here, man. I'm gonna give me some worms. Pick a better day. Feel good right now. That was sun gone and everything. Nothing but clouds. Feel good today though, so yeah, man, I'm gonna wrap this one up. I'm Freebird. It's your world. Live it, love it, get into it, man. You ain't gonna do nothing sitting on that couch, bro. Let's go.